To support Hong Kong's sustainable development, the government actively explores innovative approaches to develop new land resources. One possible approach is rock cavern development. Drainage Services Department, DSD, is conducting a feasibility study on the relocation of the Sha Tin sewage treatment works to Caverns, with a view to releasing the existing site for housing and other beneficial uses and enhancing our community and environment.
最好有多啲社區設施同單車徑啦。
起多啲屋嘅話，啲仔女就可以有自己嘅地方啦。
我想有多啲籃球場。
As the largest secondary sewage treatment works in Hong Kong, the Sha Tin sewage treatment works occupies 28 hectares of land and serves a population of about 600,000 in the Sha Tin district. The relocation site for the Sha Tin sewage treatment works is at Noi Po Shan of Kong Kok. The geology of this area, belonging to hard granite, is most suitable for construction of large caverns. Relocating the Sha Tin sewage treatment works to this area will minimise the disturbance to the whole Sha Tin district. During November 2012 to March 2013, DSD conducted the Stage 1 public engagement activities. The Stage 2 public engagement activities also commenced in July 2013. The activities, including roving exhibitions, focus group meetings, community group meetings and public forum, etc., aim to collect views and concerns of the public and stakeholders on the relocation proposal. DSD will continue to maintain close dialogue and share the latest information with the public, consider the comments and concerns collected during the public engagement activities, and work together with the public to optimise the relocation proposal. Furthermore, DSD has set up a project website to disseminate the latest information of the relocation proposal, such as the study background, various assessment information, Nordic examples of cavern sewage treatment works and related technologies, etc.
In
response to the public's concerns, the feasibility study has completed the preliminary technical assessments on traffic, odour and blasting impacts and recommended appropriate mitigation measures so as to meet the relevant standards and not cause any adverse impact to our daily lives. In comparison to the existing open-plan sewage treatment works, the relocated plant in Caverns will be more effective in odour management. The feasibility study has preliminarily assessed the odour impact of the relocated Sha Tin sewage treatment works by analysing the wind direction and wind speed of the proposed relocation site, namely Noi Po Shan of Kong Kok, through wind tunnel test. The preliminary results of the odour impact assessment show that with appropriate odour control measures and ventilation shaft at remote locations on the hill, the relocated Sha Tin sewage treatment works will not cause any adverse odour impact to the nearby community. The feasibility study has preliminarily assessed the traffic impact of the relocation project to the nearby road network, in particular Kong Kok Street. Since Kong Kok Street is a main route for many buses and minibuses to and from the Ma On Shan area, we will recommend appropriate mitigation measures to minimise the traffic impact.
喺工程進行期間，會唔會影響到我哋嘅樓宇結構呢？
The feasibility study has preliminarily assessed the blasting vibration of nearby buildings, since drill and blast method would likely be adopted for the cavern construction. Nowadays, the allowable vibration limits for general structures and sensitive structures are 25 mm per second and 13 mm per second respectively. Based on the evaluation results, the predicted vibrations of nearby estates or villages such as Chevalier Garden, Cam Tai Court, Arkun Kok Fisherman Village, Tai Shoi Hung Village and Moi Tsi Lam Village will be much lower than the above limits. We anticipate that with the application of advanced blasting technology and control measures, the vibration of nearby buildings can be mitigated to an acceptable level.
The
feasibility study has preliminarily assessed the visual impact of the relocated Sha-Tin sewage treatment works, in particular the ventilation shaft. As the ventilation shaft will be located at remote location on the hill, it will not be easily seen. Furthermore, through appropriate greening measures, the ventilation shaft will well integrate with the surrounding environment so that it will not cause any visual impact.
There are many successful examples of cavern wastewater treatment plants in Nordic countries. Based on our experience, the plant can integrate well in surrounding environment and community. I trust Hong Kong engineering professionals can provide fantastic relocation proposal.
The preliminary idea at present is that the land released will be used for housing and other beneficial uses, including community facilities as well as recreation areas such as waterfront promenade, with a view to improving the community and the environment for the sustainable development of Hong Kong. DSD has outlined the preliminary plan for the relocated Sha-Tin sewage treatment works, which shows the plant layout and operational logistics in order to let the public know more about the relocated plant. Let us draw our ideal Sha-Tin together. Your support is appeal for the sustainable development.